Are you a first-timer mom and you are thinking whether to do massage of your baby or not? So here are the list of benefits of doing massage to your baby. So let's begin our video. Massage has many benefits. Let's count them one by one. First and furthermost is soothing your child. It helps to soothe your child. By doing massage, you are having skin-to-skin contact with your baby. They develop a sense of security. And if they develop a sense of security, they feel happy and relaxed. The second benefit is in the sleep. Since the newborn babies are having a new environment, so they find it hard to sleep. They cry overnight and disturb the whole environment. So in order to make them sleep, it's important for you to do a massage. If you do a massage 2 times a day, then your baby will sleep 2 hours in continuous rhythm. The third benefit of massage is that it helps in brain development. Since the child is getting a good sleep, then the body is getting ample time to repair and reconstruct. So the brain cells develop faster as compared to non-massage babies. The fourth benefit is on the digestive system. Baby's digestion becomes faster and easier. The next benefit is of muscle development. Muscle development is very faster in the massage babies as compared to non-massage babies. They just cry. So sometimes it's very much difficult to understand why the baby is crying. If you do massage at that time, if the baby is having any pain in the body, it will get resolved through increase in blood circulation. So half of your problems will be solved if you do massage to your baby. So these were the valuable advices that I have for the first timer moms regarding the massage. If you want to have more such advices, follow up my channel Mom's Guidebook. And I will request you, if you found this video informative and helpful in your motherhood journey, please do subscribe to my channel Mom's Guidebook and share it with your fellow new moms.